In this video, I'm going to show you how to see Figma history. First of all, open the project in which you want to see the history. Once your project is open, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on the menu icon. A drop-down menu will appear after you click on it. Now, hover your mouse over the File option in the menu. When you do that, a sub-menu will appear. In this list, find and click on the View Version History option. Once you select it, you'll see a new section open on the right-hand side of your screen. This section shows all the saved versions of the file you're working on. You'll be able to see the dates and times each one was saved. To see how a previous version looked, simply click on that version in the list. Figma will then load that specific version, and you can view exactly what the design looked like at that point in time. If you find a version that you want to bring back, it's easy to restore it. Just click on the version you want, and then click on the three dots in front of that version's name. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose Restore this version. Once you click that, the selected version will be restored, and you can continue editing from there as needed. And that's how you can view and manage your version history in Figma.